Hello everybody, hello wildlife watchers, nature lovers, outdoor explorers, welcome back for an all-new safari vlog. This time from the beautiful land of Rwanda. Shelly, we're in Rwanda.
I'm still pinching myself.
I can't believe it. This is our first day here. And in today's video, we're going to take you on a very special wildlife experience. We are going mountain gorilla trekking in Volcanoes National Park.
What a dream come true.
I can't believe I just said that out loud.
For both of us, an absolute dream come true.
So this is actually our second gorilla trek of our trip. We just finished a 12-day Uganda safari itinerary, crossed the border into Rwanda today. So we had the pleasure of doing this experience in Bwindi Impenetrable Forest. Magical experience. What was your first gorilla trekking experience like?
It was so powerful and so intense. I guess I didn't know what to expect, but it exceeded anything I could have imagined.
So we are very excited to do this experience on the Rwandan side this time. This is where notable conservationists and primatologists such as Dian Fossey were based, studying mountain gorillas starting in the 60s into the 70s and 80s. The early gorilla research took place here. Of course, this happened in Bwindi as well, but this is kind of where it all started.
This is like the birthplace.
Yes,
the gorilla research.
And really the birthplace of gorilla habituation, which is the process where gorillas become acclimatized to humans, get used to their presence, which allows now tourists like us to go into the forest and observe them in the wild. We are filming this video at the Mount Gorilla View Lodge. We've just checked in, loving our stay here so far, have great views of the volcano.
Gorgeous, looking at them right now.
Gorgeous. Well, as soon as we checked in, we walked over to the Ellen DeGeneres campus, which is part of the Dian Fossey Gorilla Fund. This is a brand new campus, education center, museum.
So
it was a fun visit, and I'm really glad we went there before trekking tomorrow.
I agree.
Because it added a lot of context to not just gorilla behavior, but the history and significance of this whole activity, of ecotourism in Rwanda. What did you love about that museum?
I just think it was the perfect prelude to going gorilla trekking, and we would highly recommend to go visit the center before you go gorilla trekking, just because it provides such a great foundation of knowledge before you go in and see the gorillas yourself, just around some of the history with Dian Fossey, the anatomy, the conservation efforts that are taking place right now, diet, pooping, everything.
It's all in this museum.
It's all in the museum, and I just think it makes you extra excited to go.
Yes, very high quality experience. The displays are very informative, very interactive. Even for someone like me who knows a lot about the species already and kind of have a great familiarity with Rwanda, I learned a lot. So we walked over there, back to our hotel now. This is the eve of our gorilla trekking experience. It's time to get some shut-eye.
Yes.
Get ready for tomorrow, pack things up, make sure we're geared appropriately, and take you guys gorilla trekking in Rwanda.
You're in for a treat.
You ready? We'll see you in the morning. Good night, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow for the trek.
Hey guys, we're gonna wake up Jeff for gorilla trekking. Hey Jeff, it's time for gorilla trekking.
I'm ready for gorillas! Let's do this! Good morning, everyone. Today's the day. It's time to make sure we have everything ready. Hiking boots, tall socks, hiking pants, rain jacket, tissues just in case we see them and start crying, hat, reusable water bottle. Where'd you guys go? Oh. I've got my mask because this is required when observing the wildlife. This is required to avoid transmitting diseases from us with the gorillas. Got that ready? Got the camera gear, got water, got some snacks. We're ready to go. Just testing the camera, making sure it's fully charged and the memory card's in there. Would hate to get out there, see the gorillas, and not have this functioning. Looks like Mother Nature chose rain today. There's usually a volcano there.
This?
Gaiters on.
Yeah.
So I just rented these gaiters. I thought, why not? Rented them right from the lodge for only $5 US. Big mug. Rwandan coffee. On our way to the information center. We're here.
We're here.
Security. We're in the clear. Hand washing station. It's hustling and bustling this morning. The energy is alive, the feeling's good, everyone's excited. Woo, lots of smiles. Our guide's getting us registered.
Yeah.
Yay! Thanks, Fanny.
You're welcome, guys. So yeah, you can have a cup of coffee or anywhere, sit around as we do the registration. When we are done, we take off.
Oh, thanks for doing all the hard work for us.
You're welcome.
How excited are you? Look at that smile. Beautiful smile. What sightings are we manifesting today?
I want to see really intimate moments between mama and babies.
I want to see chest beating silverbacks. Oh, well, I found one. So, sighting check.
Silverback check. The goal is to not fall. That's my goal for every trek.
Yeah, so similar to Uganda, we're expecting that there's going to be porters for hire, which will be carrying my backpack. So we get to just be hands-free, weightless, and enjoy. Getting hydrated. Are these briefing nooks?
Yeah.
Shelly, whoever enters this ring is going gorilla trekking with us.
Everyone who's here, it's going to be our first time or second time or third time. You are so lucky. Means lucky.
Just got briefed, met our guide Francis. It's time to go.
Great. We're ready to go.
We are back in the car. We have a
Yes.
30-minute drive to the starting point. Well, we met the rest of our group.
Yes.
There's 4 couples total. I'm considering us a couple.
We count.
We've got mom and dad from France.
Yes.
We've got a couple from Hong Kong, I believe.
Yes. And then there's us.
Then there's us, Canadian, US, very diverse gang.
Very diverse.
Yes. And everyone's gone in their own vehicles with their own guides to venture to the starting point. This is such a unique demographic. It's
Yeah.
like everyone wants to be here.
Yes.
You know? Like
Yes.
you can't just casually sign up for this. You gotta want it. It's expensive. It's far from the rest of the world.
Make some sacrifices to get here and do this.
And so I'm like looking around, looking at people thinking, they made that choice. Who are you? Let's be friends.
Maybe for you can hug the silverback, but for him, no.
So Francis is hitching a ride with us, which means we get to ask our very own questions.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Family called the Hiwa means lucky. So in this family there is a twins.
Ooh,
So it's the only family.
That's very rare.
In this park that has twins.
only family with twins.
Yeah, in this forest.
The weather is giving.
Gorillas in the mist.
I think we're gonna get the real gorillas in the mist experience today.
So excited about it.
Oh, thank you. Equipped.
Okay, these are potters. I will tell you. If you want to have them, they are here.
The trek begins. So a lot of groups starting at the same point, but we're all going to be dispersing shortly. Who needs gorillas when you have chameleons? We get 1 hour with the chameleon.
They have fruits.
Yeah,
Are you having a little party?
teamwork.
Two is better than one. The guy's like holding a minute.
Bye, friend.
He's done traveling.
There you go.
Okay. You go.
You've got him wrapped around your face.
So it's water break.
Then
That noise again? That's the only one I need to know about. And then there's another reason.
you know that, yeah?
So hello, greeting.
That's good morning. That's a friend son for gorillas.
We're speaking gorilla.
Yeah, that's gorilla language.
That's good morning. Check.
The forest line. The park boundary. Some deep mud. The mud situation.
We need to research them when we get back.
So far, so good.
It takes us 2 hours.
So they found the gorillas that we're gonna go meet. They're about 2 hours away at the pace we're going. Could be shorter if they're feeding and moving downhill. We're here for it.
2 hours? Okay, let's go.
Okay, we go.
Okay.
Okay.
The good news is that the gorillas are not moving up. Yeah, they are moving.
They accepted
Coming
us.
across.
They come here.
Yes.
We're close.
We hear them.
We just
Up
heard
there.
them. They're coming for us. Positions,
Gonna
everyone.
hold still.
Places. If I was shopping at the gorilla supermarket, I would definitely eat this.
We both agreed we like this one.
Looks so fresh. We hear them getting closer. Based on what they're telling us, they're gonna emerge from this any moment. Cameras out. We're serious. Oh, Francis. Another cameo. By now you all know him very well.
Who's the best porter?
This has been the
He
best
gets
porter.
A+.
Keeping her upright. Masks are going on. White and black.
We're going to see the twins. It's better to see the twins. How about we're done with the twins? One is here, doesn't move down here. So let's go to the other individuals from that side. Silverback, females, babies.
Okay, come together. Okay, go up. Go. Let's stay together. Stay together. Maybe you can just come here or we'll stay aside.
Sunbathing.
You smell the very nice.
Nest building. You can see the mountains now. I can kind of see the rim of the volcano. Oh my goodness.
Nice. Oh, very good.
We're out of the park. Back in the country. We did. I did get to see some chest pounding.
You did. You did.
I manifest that.
Scares there.
And you got to see a lot of affection.
Lots of affection.
We manifested this. Shelly didn't fall once.
Thanks to our amazing porter.
Thank you so much. This is for you. Thanks for letting her not slip.
Thank you so much. I'll shake your hand too. Thank you.
Oh, it's a shoe station. We're getting freshened up. Wow, thank you. We don't have to lift a finger.
No, we're spoiled here.
Wow.
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
This is all coming as a surprise to us. We just got our shoes removed. Look at us in our cool sliders.
We're clean.
And now we have a 10-minute complimentary foot massage.
Hello.
Free foot content.
You're gonna have to pay for mine.
Warm. My safari princess. This is so VIP.
We are spoiled brats.
I think it's awesome because these hotels are perfectly catered to this activity.
Yes.
I love this cottage. It's so cozy.
Hello. Wow. Our boots are shiny and new looking. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Look at that. Wow. You would not even know that we were trekking in these today. What's funny is these were actually thrifted and they look cleaner now than when I first got them.
Thank you.
Look who it is. What's happening? Coming out. Look at that. I don't know what's going on, but I'm into it. I'm in the performance now. What a fun and vibrant way to end the day.
Right?
As you just saw, we were in a spontaneous, impromptu tribal dance. We showed off our dance move, no rehearsals. This has nothing to do with gorilla trekking, but I hope
No.
you enjoyed that fun ending.
I hope you did, because we had a great time.
Now check out this guy.
Hi, buddy.
Hey, what's your name? Steve the Silverback?
Yeah, that's what I heard.
I hope you had fun coming with us on this gorilla trekking adventure. In today's vlog, we ventured into Volcanoes National Park, saw the Hirwa family, which we're finally pronouncing correctly. Hirwa, which means lucky.
Yes.
It was our lucky day. We got to see these gorillas in the wild.
Amazing sightings.
What an unforgettable experience this was.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much for joining us. Shelly, what was one of your favorite moments from
Oh
that
my
site?
goodness. Well, I think it was just my manifestation coming true. I was like dreaming of a really intimate moment between a mama and a baby, and I got all of it
And more.
and more. Like the most intimate kissing, cuddling, love, emotion.
Mom and baby.
Mom and baby. And so that was mine. This one.
Oh yeah, get that off. Oh, now it's in my hair. Oh, there it is. And same for me. My manifestation was to see some chest beating, and I saw it from your cousin. Don't forget, if you want to go gorilla trekking yourself in places like Rwanda and Uganda, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Send me a safari inquiry. I'd love to send you on a trip like this.
He's very responsive.
I am very responsive. Shelly would know because I'm constantly responding to emails, even when
Constantly.
we're gorilla trekking.
There's no break.
There's no breaks. Join us for more adventures. We'll see you next time.
See ya.
Bye.